The movement of love is not limited to human beings, and it is perhaps less distorted in other worlds than the human. Look at the flowers and trees. When the sun sets and all becomes silent, sit down for a moment and put yourself into communion with nature. You will feel rising from the earth, from below the roots of the trees, and mounting upwards and coursing through their fibers, up to the highest outstretching branches, an aspiration of an intense love and longing, a longing for something that brings light and gives happiness. For the light is gone, and they wish to have it back again. There is a yearning so pure and intense that if you can feel the movement in the trees, your own being will go up in an ardent prayer for the peace and light and love that are unmanifested here. These are the words of the mother of the Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry, India. She used our similarities with the earth in her spiritual teaching. We know now that our earth is made of the dust of the stars from the nebulae in our cosmos. And we are made of the earth. Everything that we see, all that we have, everything that we are, comes from the substance of the earth. So we too are made of the dust of the stars. As the world we live in evolves through the unfolding of time, our progress is part of the evolution of the earth. In the evolution of our earth, each flower has some particular quality which we have or want to have, because people and flowers alike are children of the earth and stars. When the mother saw that the dreams of creation live in a flower as a force and vibration which we share, she used the true meaning of flowers as a spiritual teaching to guide people and to help them to progress. You can easily make a speech using flowers. For instance, I have noticed that this can effectively replace the ambiguous phraseology of the ancient initiations or the old Vedic images which no longer hold meaning for us. Flower language is much better because it contains the force and is extremely plastic. Since it is not formulated in words, each one is free to arrange and receive it according to his own capacity. You can make long speeches using flowers. Here is concentration. To concentrate for developing the intelligence, for developing the inborn faculties which are hidden within ourselves. To concentrate means to find oneself. It is the quest, the means to follow. It is the shortest way to get anything. Do flowers love? Yes, they do. This is their form of love, this blossoming. Certainly, when one sees a rose opening to the sun, it is like a need to give its beauty. Only for us, it is almost unintelligible, for they do not think about what they do. The best way of opening yourself to the profound influence of flowers is to love them. If you can have a soul contact with them, that would be perfect. Love of flowers is a valuable help in finding and uniting with your own soul. One of the sweetest gifts the mother has given to the earth and her children is the teachings of flowers. She has given us the living earth to be our teacher.